Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this material effects in UE 5.1 and you can see it look really cool. We have a single parameter wipe and it has a different, it has a tile with this rotating diamond inside it and it's all done inside the material. Okay, so this looks really cool. And we can also change the color if you want. So let's start it from the scratch. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment, and let's start this. So let's create a material first. I'll call it MFX because this is FX material. And let's preview on the planar. And let's say you have a vector to radial. Oh, vector to radial. And this is really it's a really cool node. It has three coordinates, three UVs, different type of thing. So let me just make this material